3D CAD does not always need to be complicated or expensive. What if you could start creating practical 3D models using a familiar DWG-based CAD environment, quickly, smoothly, and without a steep learning curve? Welcome everyone! We are going to explore the 3D capabilities of 4MCAD Pro. Many users know 4MCAD as a highly compatible DWG-based CAD platform, but what some may not realize is that it also includes practical and accessible 3D capabilities that are surprisingly easy to use. Whether you are coming from traditional 2D drafting, exploring affordable CAD alternatives, or looking for a practical DWG-compatible 3D solution, this video will give you a good first look at what 4MCAD Pro can offer. So let's get started and explore the ease of 3D design with 4MCAD Pro. We start by creating basic 3D objects: cubes, spheres, cylinders, which serve as building blocks for more complex 3D solids. Let's begin by switching to an isometric view so we can work more comfortably in the 3D environment. Next, we go to the Draw 3D ribbon, and from the Solids tools, we select Box. Selected the Mesh box. We really want the solid box. We specify the two corners of the box and height. There you have the 3D box. It's on 2D wire. Let's change to realistic shading. Now let's continue by adding a few more simple solids. One of the nice things about 4MCAD Pro is how quickly you can start creating basic 3D geometry using familiar commands and workflows. We can easily create shapes such as cylinders, cones, and other standard solids to build up our model, step by step. Now that we have created several 3D solids, let's take a moment to review their size, shape, and positioning. One of the advantages of working in 3D is the ability to inspect the model from different viewpoints and visual representations. We can switch between various standard views and display styles to better understand the spatial relationship between the objects, verify dimensions visually, and check whether the solids are positioned correctly within the model space. This makes it much easier to validate the design as we build it. Next, let's create a torus. Compared to the basic solids we created earlier, this is a slightly more advanced 3D shape and gives us a better look at the broader solid modeling capabilities available in 4MCAD Pro. Even for more complex geometry, the workflow remains straightforward and easy to follow. We can now see that the torus and the box are interfering with each other. To correct the position, we can use the standard move command, which will feel very familiar to Autocad users. We can also use the move Gizmo, which provides a more visual and interactive way to reposition objects directly within the 3D workspace. And with that, we come to the end of this introductory 3D tutorial using 4MCAD Pro. Although we only worked with simple solids in this session, these basic 3D shapes are actually the foundation of more sophisticated engineering and product designs. Understanding how to create, position, and review these solids is an important first step before moving into more advanced modeling workflows. In our next video, we will continue by exploring solid modification tools, where we will start transforming these basic shapes into more practical and detailed designs. If you would like to follow along, I strongly encourage you to download the software from the link in the description and start practicing these 3D solid creation techniques yourself. The best way to build confidence in 3D CAD is through hands-on practice. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, please like, subscribe, and share the video so you do not miss the upcoming parts of this 4M CAD series. See you in the next tutorial.